Have you ever wondered what would you do if you weren't doing your 9 to 5 job? You have a little bit of entrepreneurial spirit, but you really don't know what you would tune it into. I found 4 really interesting businesses to open up that are really, really profitable. It's really pretty cool and exciting. I'd love to share with you what I found out. This one shocked me. I cannot believe. And how cool would this be? Number 1, food trucks. Yes, the food truck movement has been experienced consistent growth over the past 5 years, and it's expected to continue. The market projected to grow $6.6 billion by 2028. That's according to a 2021 report by Grand View Research. Yeah. You can start a food truck business for less than a third of what it costs to open a brick and mortar restaurant. Plus, you have geographic versatility, the potential for high revenue returns, and the flexibility to create a custom menu that's all your own. I mean, how cool. Right now, the graduations and stuff, how neat is that? These food trucks are being rented for graduation parties and all kinds of cool stuff. But you're going to want to keep in mind that the bigger, trendier cities already have a pretty saturated food truck market, as well as tougher regulations to get started. So this might be a more successful business in a smaller community. You're going to want to make sure you check out all those regulations. Number 2, car wash services. Yes, I had this idea. My brother and I wanted to do this like a long time ago. We were in our 20s. Get a coin-operated car wash. Wouldn't that be so cool? With the rising price and expanded features of all of our new vehicles, these are causing car owners to keep their cars a lot longer. So according to a 2020 study by Consumer Reports, as us drivers, we keep our cars a lot longer. Businesses like car washes that help people maintain the value of their automotive investment are expected to keep rising as well. We are keeping our cars up to 12 years now, according to Consumer Reports. Isn't that interesting? Did you know that according to the International Car Wash Association, 66% of Americans wash their vehicles somewhere between 1 and 2 times per month? What? 1 to 2 times a month? I do 1 or 2 times a week. That's kind of funny. With an average of 13 times a year, the car wash market is projected to increase from $14.7 billion in 2021 to $20.7 billion by 2028. So you might want to even be bigger, better, and different by turning it into a mobile service. Oh my gosh, what would that look like for you? So customers could pay more for a car wash that comes to them, especially if they have a luxury car and prefer a more personalized service. And as a mobile car wash and auto detailing service, you'd avoid the overhead and startup costs of having a physical location and that brick and mortar responsibility. Yeah, what a really great idea. All right, number 3, around the cars again, it's the auto repair. So people are keeping their cars longer than ever, suggesting there's significant opportunity in the maintenance and repair business. Yeah, we've just been there ourselves. Additionally, most car owners are more likely to support local and visit a small business for repairs based on referrals or whatnot. And according to the Auto Care Association, more than 70% repair business, it happens at independent repair shops compared to the dealerships or the manufactured authorized places. I know I'd much rather give my money to someone local, a small business owner myself. The next one, and this one is my all-time favorite because I also thought for a minute I wanted to be one of these too. A personal trainer. Employment of a fitness trainer and instructor is projected to grow 39% from 2020 to 2030. So much faster than the average for all occupations. And that was brought to us by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. But turning your love of fitness into a career doesn't have to mean working for a big corporate gym, nor do you need the overhead of having your own location to train clients. So just throw a few weights, bands, and yoga mats into the trunk of your car and take your fitness show on the road. Shoot, I know a couple people that are doing this all online and making a killing at it and loving what they're doing. And you can become a personal trainer by offering one-on-one sessions to your client in their homes or advertising a group class at a local park or community center. Making fitness available to your clients might just be the ticket to helping both of you achieve your goals. How awesome is that? So if you're tired of your 9 to 5 and have that little bit of entrepreneurial spirit in you somewhere, consider doing your own research. And when you are ready with an idea, DM me, get a hold of me somehow for a connection call, and let's do some brainstorming together. Yes. All right, you guys, take care and you have a really great day. Until next time.